Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be unbagging my most recent order from one of my favorite suppliers, Dazzle Me with Charm. Here is their card. Dazzle Me with Charm is an Etsy shop that specializes in selling kawaii cabochons and supplies for decadent and resin and stuff, and slime and stuff like that. I always forget slime because I don't do slime, but slime is huge. Anyway, so let's get into it. So I have become friendly with the shop owner, Theresa, and she does everything herself, which is very impressive. I don't know how she does it. So here is, everything's come in like little bundles. Alright, so I got these cute little donuts. I love donuts. Each one's a different color. I like how they're like puffy, I guess. I don't know if you guys want to see every single piece of everything I got, but we'll start out doing it that way and see how long it takes. Oh, those are so cute. Of course, I'm going to say that about every single thing in this order, so I'm going to try not to do that. Chocolate chip cookies. I guess like strawberry chocolate chip cookies. I see these watermelon in there and I want to get them. Alright. Oh, these cute little watermelons. I know you can't see them, but... So this is what they look like. Aw, so cute. They have smiley faces. Oh my goodness. And some cookies that say choice on them and they're pink. Let's get one out. Make sure I'm holding it the right way. Those are so pretty. Then we have some rainbow sticks, so you can use them as straws or just anything, just candy. Oh, I got lavender lollipops. Let's see, take one out. With a bow and a rhinestone. I love it. Look at how pretty those are. Everything I get from her is A grade. I recommend her shop. I'm going to put a link down below to her Etsy shop. And, oh my gosh, these are so cute. I get these to be inclusions for resin. They say love. They're so pretty. Maybe I'll put a few of them in my hand. I don't know if you can see them. Anyway, so they come in all different colors. Okay, next we have, ooh, these holographic stars. I was wondering how these were gonna look in person. Oh, they're just so cool. All right, so hopefully you can see them. That's really cool. They're they have like holographic glitter in them, but what I really like is the because I can make a resin star with holographic glitter, but I love how these have gold edges. That's so cool. Next, what do we have? Everything's wrapped so well. Okay, so these are 200 pieces. I forget how many millimeters these beads are. I got a couple different sizes. I don't know if I said this on camera yet, but I want to make like little realistic looking boba resin pieces. So I've just been kind of getting all these like black caviar beads in different sizes because I have different size molds and other kinds of things to make boba teas out of. I have actual like miniature cups and stuff too. I just like have no time to make new stuff. All right, what else? Okay, I got the those same kind of lollipops with the bow and the rhinestone. So pretty. I got these pretty little crowns, iridescent crowns. And I got eye screws to make resin cabochons into charms. And these are like little chocolate bars that have had a bite taken out of them. 5 different colors. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. People love these. I love them too. Speaking of which, people really love these chunky ones. So I ordered 21 pieces. Whoa, I just fell out. I ordered 21 pieces of them. Oh, here, I'll show you that one. So cute. And then we have some popsicles. They're like winking. Oh my goodness. So cute. These come in 5 different colors as well. Oh, I love these. Turquoise milk jugs. I have these in pink, blue, brown, now turquoise. They're so cute. And little candy drop things. Not sure if you can see those very well. Here's one up close. They have a heart in the middle. I love that. A lot of these are items that I'm reordering because I've gotten them from her before and customers really liked them and wanted them on their cases, so I actually ran out and had to order more. And lollipops. I love lollipops. I have probably ordered more lollipops from Theresa than I can count. I literally have a drawer full of overstock lollipops because I just love them so much. I mean, look at the rainbow! Oh my goodness! Love it. That's everything in my order, I believe. Yep. All right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and before we go, I have to show you my... And before we go, I want to show you my shirt. So, it has a unicorn and a rainbow and a castle on it. So cool. I got this from Dolls Kill like a year or 2 ago. I'm not exactly sure. But anyway, so I'll show you one more shot of Theresa's business card. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. So check out her shop if you make decadent, anything, cases or whatever. Resin, slime, all that kind of stuff. I don't know, what else do people make with these kinds of things? I have no idea. Probably fun things that I'm going to find out about eventually and get hooked on. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.